guys, my name's Tay Whiteside here at Black Dog Salvage.
And I'm Tim.
And we're down here in the metal shop. We got a fun project today that we're going to utilize the Edwards Ironworker for. We've actually got one of our standard album tables, LP tables. They're little corner tables made to hold an album LP cover in the top. So it involved, in the past to make these frames, we would cut and cut and cut with old, cut-off wheels and chop saws, because we got to cut 4 legs and we got to cut 4 supports, so 8 different pieces of metal we got to cut. And with this thing, it's just super quick and easy. So let's get it right at it. Right. So step 1 is to cut the legs, and they need to be 26 inches because it's, it's a coffee table or a side table height. And a really cool feature we're going to use to do that is called an auto cut. And what that is, on the back of this machine, there's a rod with a sensor on it that we've set to 26 inches. So as we feed the material in here, we don't have to measure or think about it. We just stick it in. As soon as it hits that sensor, it activates the machine and it cuts it. And it's really cool, and it saves a lot of time. So let's check it out. So look, they're all exactly the same size, and those 4, that was real time. Those 4 cuts took, what, 30 seconds? We would have spent at least an hour doing that with our old setup.
At least.
So, I mean, it's like once you get everything set up, it's just boom, 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 effortless. It's awesome. Next, we're gonna do the slats that support the wooden shelves in this thing. Same process as before. We set the auto cut at 16.5 inches, and we're using the flat bar shear on the bottom. So we're just gonna cut, how many, 4?
Yep.
4 of them, and then we'll punch holes in it, and that's it. Cool, so now we've got 4 legs cut, and we've got 4 straight supports cut in 10 minutes, I'm taking any time at all.
No.
The only last step we had to do, and this is pretty typical for our projects, is we have to drill holes through the top pieces of the piece in order to attach like a wood top or a wood shelf or something. We drill maybe 20 holes sometimes, which again can take up to an hour. And right here we've got set up a punch. We're going to use it now to punch holes in all the support pieces that we just cut. So when we weld it all together, the holes are already there and we can just screw our shelves right into it. So let's get going. Nice, there it is, man. Done. I mean, that's all the materials we needed for the build. I mean, now it's just a question of putting in the jig, welding it up, and then we ship it over to wood and then do the shelves.
Yep.
Job well done.
Yep.
Get out of here.
All right.